Deere Fuel System Troubleshooting, Expert Tips and Solutions. John Deere fuel system troubleshooting often involves checking for clogged filters and ensuring proper fuel flow. Inspect the fuel lines for leaks or damage. A well-functioning fuel system is crucial for John Deere equipment performance. Regular maintenance helps prevent common issues like clogged filters, airlocks, and fuel contamination. Start by inspecting the fuel filters for debris and replacing them if necessary. Ensure the fuel lines are free of leaks and damage. Check the fuel tank for sediment or water. Clean or replace the tank if needed. Verify the fuel pump is operating correctly and delivering adequate pressure. Addressing these areas can prevent breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your John Deere machinery. Regular troubleshooting ensures your equipment runs efficiently. Introduction to John Deere fuel systems. John Deere fuel systems power various agricultural machines. They ensure efficient fuel delivery and optimal performance. Understanding their operation is crucial for troubleshooting. 1. Importance of maintenance. John Deere fuel system common issues. Several common issues can affect John Deere fuel systems. Identifying these problems early is essential. Engine sputtering, hard starting, power loss. Identifying fuel system problems in John Deere engines. John Deere tractors are known for their reliability, but they can face fuel system problems. Identifying these issues early is crucial. This guide will help you spot the signs and use the right tools. Keep your tractor running smoothly by knowing what to look for. Symptoms to watch for. Diagnostic tools. John Deere fuel system. Clogged fuel filters. A clogged fuel filter can cause many issues for your John Deere equipment. It restricts the flow of fuel to the engine. This leads to poor performance and even engine damage. Understanding the signs and knowing how to replace the filter is crucial. Signs of a clogged filter. Replacing the filter. John Deere fuel system. Fuel pump failures. Fuel pump failures can disrupt your John Deere equipment. Identifying and fixing these issues early can save time and money. This section focuses on symptoms and testing methods for fuel pump issues. Symptoms of pump issues. Testing the fuel pump. John Deere fuel system. Injector malfunctions. John Deere tractors rely on precise fuel injection to run smoothly. Injector malfunctions can disrupt this process, causing performance issues. Understanding common problems and how to address them is crucial. Common injector problems. John Deere fuel system. Air in fuel lines. Air in fuel lines can cause many issues in John Deere machinery. It leads to erratic engine behavior, loss of power and starting problems. Understanding how to detect and bleed air from the fuel system is crucial. Detecting air presence. Bleeding the fuel system. John Deere fuel system. Contaminated fuel. Contaminated fuel can cause serious problems in your John Deere machinery. It can lead to reduced performance, higher fuel consumption, and costly repairs. Understanding how to identify and prevent fuel contamination is crucial for maintaining your equipment's efficiency and longevity. Identifying contamination. Preventing fuel issues. John Deere fuel system. Preventative maintenance tips. Keeping your John Deere fuel system in top condition is essential. Regular maintenance helps avoid costly repairs. Below are some preventative maintenance tips to keep your machinery running smoothly. Routine checks. Long-term care. John Deere fuel system. Expert solutions and advice. When facing issues with your John Deere fuel system, expert advice is crucial. Expert solutions help maintain performance and reduce downtime. Below are detailed tips and insights for tackling common fuel system problems. Consulting a professional. DIY versus professional repairs. Frequently asked questions about John Deere fuel system. How to troubleshoot John Deere fuel system issues. First, check for fuel leaks or blockages. Inspect fuel lines, filters and injectors. Ensure the fuel pump works properly. Why won't my John Deere start? Your John Deere may not start due to clogged fuel filters, faulty fuel pump, or air in the fuel system. What are common John Deere fuel problems? Common issues include clogged fuel filters, air in fuel lines, malfunctioning fuel pumps, and dirty injectors. How to check John Deere fuel pump? To check, listen for a humming sound when the ignition is on. No sound indicates a problem.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.